This weather report brought to you by Seafood Market at Caloundra, Bullcock Street.
G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The second wave of rain is well underway and not expected to clear until Wednesday. It has, for many stations, been the coldest day so far this year, and tomorrow could be colder still. Today was positively freezing, with Sunshine Coast Airport reaching just 13 degrees. Many July records are being challenged, but we won't know until tomorrow because some temps are still rising. We'll start with the satellite loop. You can see a massive cloud band covering eastern Queensland. Widespread moderate rain has fallen over all eastern districts. And even though further west we haven't got the cloud deck, it's been freezing cold there as well, with southerly winds undercutting the cloud, cutting out the sun and making for very cold temperatures today, perhaps record-breaking. We'll find out soon. Today's chart, you can see the main high-pressure system is now over the bight. It's being augmented by a system of lows off the southern New South Wales coast, which extend a surface trough further north. But more importantly, the upper-level trough producing the rain band. On tomorrow's chart, the surface doesn't change a great deal, but the upper-level trough stands up and intensifies, making for one more day of rain across eastern Queensland, contracting to the coast before moving offshore for Wednesday. To the boating forecast for Sunshine Coast waters, southwesterly winds only 10 to 15 knots tomorrow, then going a bit more northwesterly on Wednesday before turning southwesterly again for Thursday, 15 to 20 knots. Surf's up to a metre on the open beaches, though less than half that size along north-facing bays, protected from the swell. If you decide to brave the cold, please swim between the flags. Tomorrow's first tide will be a morning low, and the rise to the afternoon high tide should be quite gentle, given we're only a couple of days from first quarter moon. South East Coast District, cold and cloudy again tomorrow with intermittent showers. Maroochydore, 8 to only 16 degrees. Nambour and Gympie, just 15. Looking ahead from Maroochydore, Thursday onwards should see a return to mostly sunny conditions, with temperatures quickly bouncing back to average. It won't be particularly warm, just a lot less cold. With all this glum, depressing weather, I thought rainbows might make a nice, happy theme for tonight's educational segment. Rainbows have been around for as long as the sun's been shining, and there's been water in the air to disperse its many colours. They can be seen early morning or late afternoon, usually just before or just after rain, but never in the middle of the day. In Greek mythology, the rainbow was thought to be a pathway between earth and heaven. The ancient Chinese thought it was a slit in the sky sealed by coloured stones. And it was the Irish who thought it might have been a hiding place for the leprechaun's pot of gold. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, interesting. All right, thanks for that, Livio. That's all from us for this Monday. Thanks very much for your company. Just a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app. Catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. Good night.